Hey everyone, Brian from WorkshopAddict.com, and for those of you guys on the job site who pack large lunches, Milwaukee came out with a new Packout cooler. This thing is fairly large and will fit easily a 2-liter or probably 6 2-liters. So if you take a large lunch to work, or if you take a lot of water for those hot days to give out to your guys, this is going to be an awesome cooler. But my excitement does not come from taking this to the job site. It comes from actually using this as a cooler for personal use, traveling to people's houses, or second, we're very excited for putting it in the machine behind us. Now, hang on, I'm going to go over this cooler real quick, then I'll give you some speculation as to what I see coming. First, this has a full waterproof liner on the inside. It is food grade, and Milwaukee says it will hold ice for up to 24 hours. I cannot tell you that it will because anything in here is usually gone within the next 4, but it does a very good job. It's no Yeti, and forgive me for even bringing that up because I hate Yetis. I don't need that overpriced stuff. They're larger than I'd like. Yeah, they might be cool, but if you really need it, great. I don't support them. But you do have inside a nice food grade liner. Up top, you have a place to keep things that you want dry, cold. You can easily take your lunch or drinks with you wherever you need to. You can see it easily keeps anything that's in there cold. Those have been in there about 8 hours, so no leaks, no wet on the outside, no sweating happening on the outside. Pretty nice. You have different compartments along here, a tape measure holder, which is a bottle cap opener also. So if you are on the job site, you could carry some things around with you. Now, one warning, I would not buy this to put a bunch of tools on the inside. This waterproof liner, if you do happen to puncture it, will start to leak. So buy the 15-inch tool bag. That would be comparable in size to this if you're going to carry tools around. And then if you're going to use it as a cooler once in a great while, just throw a bag inside and you'd be good. This thing has a tote on the top, zips up nice, Milwaukee quality, just what you would expect. Now, the speculation, because this is a Packout, it'll fit on any other Packout top. That affects us big because what we want to do is get the bases for the Packouts. Now they make wall mounts at this point, and if you search around the internet a little bit, you'll see that in Europe, they have a base. And with a few phone calls, a little bit of guessing, that base should come to the US sometime this year. And if you look behind us, we can pull out the seat in this Polaris, and we have room for 2 of these, or 1 large Packout box that could snap into place. That means for us, we can decide what we're doing, if we're riding in a race, if we're chasing, whatever we're doing, whatever we need tools, we need water, anything like that. We can simply pop it in, take a seat out, and move. Now, if we don't want to take a seat out, we can move over and put this base and just screw a base into the back of a different machine or the back of this one and pop them in different areas where they're out of the way. That's huge because now we have a complete base kit in the back of our machine that we can carry tools, water, lunch, anything we want with us, and it's easy in, easy out. So we don't have to keep the same type of container in there at all times. That's what makes this awesome to me. Now, I'm sure you guys on the job site are like, you know what, this has been awesome for a long time, you're just catching on. Yeah, I get it, but we don't use this Packout stuff like the job site guys do. You know, it's just not in and out of a truck. It's just in our shop or when we travel. So this is going to be awesome when the base comes out, and if the base doesn't come out, we'll just rip the top off of something else, turn that into our base, and then we have everything set. So if you're not into the Packout side, think about it again. Think about if you'd want this maybe in the center of your pickup truck. You could lock it in place so you turn a corner, it's not fumbling around everywhere, or anywhere else you could think of. If you ride side-by-sides like us, this is going to be huge. Camping, I know it would be nice too. You could put this on the front of a boat where your cooler is always, you know, bobbling around in different places. Now your cooler is stuck in place. I like that idea. Think out of the box, but if you don't like the Packout stuff, Milwaukee does have a simple cooler without the plastic on the bottom, and it would probably work just as good for you. I appreciate your comments on this. What do you think about that base? What do you think we could do with other 3D printers and what we could do to put this base in different places? Let me know where you might use this. I always appreciate your comments and chatting with you guys. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.